There's nothing worse than trying to open your garage door only to find it frozen shut. You're then late for work, school, or other important commitments due to the time it takes trying to force the garage door open. But now, there's the Garage Door Seal, created by inventor Tony Saros. The invention will seal the lower edge of a garage door to keep it from freezing during times of snow and ice buildup. It will also keep materials from blowing underneath a closed garage door. The seal will protect the existing door seal and prevent motor and gear damage to the opener. The garage door seal can be used for both residential and industrial garage doors. Ready to learn more? Contact us now for manufacturing, retail, wholesale, distribution, or licensing opportunities. You won't want to go through another winter without it.